Good morning, guys. How we doing? We're gonna unbox the Rove R2 4K dash cam for car or truck. So let's get started. Brand new. All right. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's check it out. Get this open. Okay. You can use their app on the App Store or Google Play. So and it's by Rove dash cam. All right. A quick start guide. Here's a Q code. We can scan it if you like. Not to get any emails or questions about the product. And it has a 1-year warranty. But we gotta register the product, of course. So here's like a protection on the film 3M sticky mount. Okay, so we're gonna need this. And let me see, we got the main product, which is our dash cam 4K. Look at that guy. That's the lens right there. And this is the screen where we can see and record, and it supports up to 512 gigabytes of micro SD card. So that's good. Always a good thing. All right, let's see what we got here. What else do we have? That's pretty much in the box. Get that one out of the way. Okay, guys, sorry about that. I had to get rid of that truck running. So let's get this open. Okay, we got a lot of accessories inside the little box. We got the adapter, the lighter, cigarette lighter. You can plug it on the truck or your personal car. Okay, definitely we're gonna need that. And here's our sticky windshield. We can put our dash cam right there, install it. And what else do we have? Oh, okay, our USB cable. Pretty long, so we can work our way around it. And let's see what else. What else do we have? Okay, that's it, guys. Nothing else on the box, but we still got left accessories. This is the where you placed your dash cam. Kind of get it. We can get it out with this. Help out straighten out on the windshield, you know. And we got another USB port. This is probably going to be for the computer. We can transfer all the images, photos, and videos. We got a bunch of extra 3M sticky tape. You know, manage our cables. That's pretty neat. Comes handy sometimes. You don't have those cables hanging around your door or dashboard. So that's not bad. Extra 3M sticky. And the main one. So we're gonna install it, and I'll put pictures on the final result, guys. Thank you so much for hanging around. Appreciate you guys' support. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.